Hey third grade, it's me, Mr. Green. How you guys doing today? Well, today we're going to do some line plots with fractions. Now, if you haven't seen my line plot video yet, please go onto my YouTube channel and watch that one first because it shows you how to do line plots without fractions. So today we're going to do some with fractions. Pretty excited. All right, so here's the steps. Steps are exactly the same as just doing a line plot, but they're just going to have fractions. So let me go ahead and show you two examples, and then I'm going to let you guys try some. So here we go. First one. Analyze. What's the least number and what's the greatest number? Well, if you look at this data right here, the least number is 0 and the greatest number is 1. So that's step 1. Step 2, make your line plot. So now I make my line plot. It's just a number line, and you put your smallest number, and then I like to just keep going up by increments until I get to the biggest number. 0, next would be a 1/2, and then 1. Okay. And then step 3, pretty easy, plot your points. So how many zeros do I see? I have 2 zeros, so I'm gonna make 2 X's. And how many halves do I have? I have 2 halves, so I'm gonna put 2 X's. And how many ones do I have? I have 1, 2, 3 ones, so I put 3 X's. And there you go. That is how you make a line plot with fractions. All right, let me try a harder one real quick. Same steps. Step 1, analyze. What's my smallest number, my least, and what's my greatest? So in this one, my least number is 1, and my greatest number is 2. So now I'm doing step 2. Make your line plot. So like I said, my smallest number is 1, and my largest number is 2. And it looks like it's going up by quarters, by fourths. So after 1 is 1 1/4. After that, it would be 1 1/2, where you can put 1 2/4. Those are equivalent. And 1 3/4. And then finally, 2. Okay, even if I don't have like that data, you still have to put it on there. All right, and then step 3, plot your points. So how many ones do I have? Looks like I have 1 1. How many 1 1/4 or 1 1/4 do I have? I have 1 of those. I don't have any 1 2/4, so I just leave that one blank. And then I have 2 1 3/4. And then I have 1 2. There you go. And that's my line plot. Okay, now let's have you guys try one. I just made the data go sideways. It's the exact same steps. So go ahead and go ahead and pause the video. Do this one, pause the video, and when you're done, unpause it, and I'll show you the answer. All right, boys and girls, let's see how you guys did. So the smallest number is 1, the biggest number is 2, and then you do step 2, which is make your line plot. Biggest number is 1. It's going up by halves. 2. All right. And then step 3, you should have plotted your points. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And then I have 2 of these, 1 1/2. And I have 2 2s. Does your line plot look like mine? If it does, great job. If it looks better, because mine's kind of crooked, even better. All right, now let's try our second example. Go ahead and try this one. Pause the video, try it, and then when you're done, hit play, and I'll show you the answer. All right, let's see how you guys did. Step 1, least to greatest. My smallest number here, the least number is 1. My biggest number is 2, just like the last one. So I put a 1. That's my beginning point. And it looks like it's going up by halves again. Okay. All right. Now step 3, plot your data. Let's see here. How many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 ones. How many 1 1/2 do I have? I only have 1. And how many 2s? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you go. That is how you make a line plot with fractions. All right, let's try the last one. Last one. Go ahead and pause the video, try this one, and then when you're ready, go ahead and unpause it. All right, let's see how you guys did. So the least number I have here, this one's kind of hard. The least number is 1 1/4. Did you guys figure that one out? And then the biggest number, of course, is 2. So now do step 2. You should have made your line plot. The smallest number is 1 1/4, 1 1/4, whatever you want to say it. And then it goes 1 1/2. Then it goes 1 3/4, and then the last one is 2. Okay, so how many 1 1/4s do I have? Let's see, I have 1. That's it, just 1. How many 1 1/2s do I have? I have 1, 2. How many 1 3/4s? 1, 2, 3. And how many 2s? 2. All right, boys and girls, does your line plot look like this? If so, great job. Now what I want you guys to do is go ahead and go onto iExcel, and you're gonna go all the way down to U11. U11 has create line plots with fractions, just what we did right now. So go ahead and try that. I can't wait to see how you guys did, and have a great